It's high tea with Usis K Apha Kutsolo, the Hill Boutique Hotel. The owner of this beautiful hotel, who was hosting us Apha namhlanje, Sis Koleka Tele Maboza.
Yes.
Ah, Nsaibambile. Sis namhlanje Sis K with the high tea with Usis K.
Yes.
Tell us about the concept, man. Yaqala njani le vision ebasibela apha with the high tea with Usis K.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Namhlanje 15 ka-August we are celebrating women. It's Women's Month. Iqale le concept kuba abantu abangomama bayathanda uba bashiyekele ezintweni. They unfortunately uvile naxa ethetha u-MC wethu uba we are born disadvantaged. So izinto ezininzi ziyasidisadvantage thina. System nje in general doesn't give us enough opportunities. Society doesn't allow us to be who we are. So isuke ekuthini mina ndingumuntu ongumama ozamayo, ndingumuntu ongumama othanda ukuphusha, ndingumuntu ongumama ofuna ukuthi afikelele kwi-levels where angalindelekanga uba umuntu ongumama afike kuyo. Basically I want to break all the barriers that are there in front of me ezenza into yobana siphele singabantu abangomama singaphumeleli, because sine-brains to do that, sine-capacity to do that. So ekwenzeni kwam nekuphusha kwam uba ndifikelele kwindawo endikuyo, ndiyacinga uba bakhona abantu abangomama abangayicingi into yobana banalo ithuba, banayo indlela yoba benze izinto ebekubonakala ngathi thina singabantu abangomama asikwazi uzenza. So kukukhuthaza abantu abangomama uba wake up. Now, it's time we need to wake up. Sibone nathi uba what can we do in this society to make things better, because senze izinto ngcono kakhulu.
2026 selapha kulona unyaka 2026 and Manincome, a successful event, well organized and everything. How are you feeling njengoba silapha and sesipakathini sesayigqiba le program?
I'm over the moon. You know, zonke izinto ebezenza ngathi this might not be possible. There's a struggle. Abantu they're not buying tickets
yeah,
on time. Bangabantu be last minute. Yes. We understand. The weather during the week, I'm sure indawo yonke had very bad weather. It was snowing, it was raining. Sanewari bakazi sizosebenza kanjani in the rain. Ngathi uThixo wenzile. This is the day the Lord has made. So I'm very excited. I'm over the moon. I'm happy things came out like this. We are doing this for the second time actually. Yes. So we did it last year for the first time, and we had a beautiful day like this. This one is more, so every year Iyakula, it's getting up there. Yes, yes.
A quick OOTD, you look very stunning and beautiful, man. Team OOTD.
Yeah, I'm not ready for this makeup. Let's put the makeup. Lady Kumulaya by Riri. Riri is beauty. Mtana wala apha kuTsolo. Uhlala apha kuTsolo. Can you believe? This Jens were apha iFace Beauty ya kuTsolo. And the hair was installed by my daughter Utalita.
She's talented.
Yes, yes. And then the dress I brought it from Ejabeni. I can't remember the name. Yes. And the shoes from a Chinese shop. Look, you can be beautiful. This is from a Chinese shop, and this also is from a Chinese shop in Durban. Thank you very much.
Now, to the women out there, to encourage, hopefully, are we having this next year?
Yeah, of course. Look, when I get through the challenges preparing for this, every time I'm not doing this again.
Yeah.
But because I want the success, so it's something that I still need to sleep on.
Okay. So to encourage the women out there empowering amanina mhlambi ngomphumelelo zokubashiya nawo.
Ndifuna ukuthi ebantwini abangomama, all the females out there, ninamandla, ninawo amandla enwanikezwe nguThixo, ninawo amathuba nohulumende uyasivumela. The opportunities are there for women. Must silence in noise ethi we are not enough. Must silence in noise yomona. Sikwazi njoba siqhubeke senze nantoni esibonayo uthile ukumakhumalo apha uba esi steps siphambi kwakho nyathela kuso ubheke phambili. So masiye kuziyekelela, masiqhubeke sipushe further and further sifike kwi-spaces apho besingalindelekanga uba singafika zona. And when we do that, masinganyuki sodwa, let's lift others as we go along.
Okay, thank you so much for this cup of tea. Imnandi kakhulu le cup of tea le osenzeleyo namhlanje apha kuTsolo. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.